What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs, my people. Right now, people, thanks again for all the people been liking, sharing, subscribing. And you guys haven't seen a video from boy Jay a long time now. But right now, people, we're in the Dominican Republic. Say that, right? So we took a break from YouTube for a bit, and we just finished the contract for the salt trucks for the winter program. So now we said we're gonna take a break and we're gonna go travel for a bit. So the next stop is somewhere else. We're gonna tell you that soon. Sorry if I have no shirt on. You know it's hot in the Caribbean right now, right? So yeah, so I just want to say sorry, my people, if I never post no video for a little bit of time. And yeah, we're gonna show you around Dominican Republic. Right now we're at the Scotia Bank. We gotta pull out some money. My boys Jim dropped me here, and yo, it's so sad, to be honest with you guys. It's so sad that Spanish is our second language and we don't embrace it. And then every time we go to the Spanish country, I can't even speak Spanish. I should have learned more when I was in high school. I used to go to Waterford High School, my people. So if anybody remember me from Waterford, you don't know, right? Say that. But yeah, my people, so right now we're in the DR and we're gonna show you guys around. I'm gonna walk around this place too, and we're gonna show you guys all these places. All right, so yeah, this is our third home right now, my people. This is our third home right now, my people. So Jamaica first, then Toronto, and then the DR. I never lied to you now. I never lied to you now. Yeah, man, my people. So right now, these are my boys right here. Say what up, what up,
Hey,
what
what's
up?
up, what's up, what's up?
His dad's from Ocherias, but he's a Spanish man now. And then the man look Spanish bridging. Say that, you know what I mean?
Yo, we're good, we good.
And they're one bringing us around right now. Safe youths, call it a day. You guys do like you guys want to promote yourself and shit? Could you stand in the sun? Stand in the sun.
Oh yeah.
So you could put your number and stuff like that to promote yourself. So when people watch the video, they know who to hit up when they come. Okay. All right, my people.
All right. My name is Joel. I'm a surfing tour here in Dominican Republic. My number is 1-809-855-8217.
Instagram.
If you want to learn how to surf, you coming over here and we help you out. We don't have no Instagram. We just what's up.
What else you guys offer? Your services?
We service at banana boat, tubing, excursion,
ATV, still light, waterfall, boogie, everything excursion. If you want a girl, call me. I have everything for you.
So wait, so is this a land for girls, for single mans, or what? Is Susu? Wait, is it Susua for the man, for single mans? What is it?
For single man, the whole island.
The whole island, man. So you hear that, people? So
how about that?
So people, you can hit them up for ATVs, surfing, tours around the land, and all that stuff. And yeah, people, they will show you around the city if you want to be around the city and all that type of stuff. At the end of the day, again, what's your number again? You can say your number again.
1-809-855-8217.
And
So
yours?
So, 849 11 12 8899.
And these guys are safe, my people. They're not gonna put you in no problem, no trouble. They ain't no bam 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 man. No, the good people, right?
Yeah, for yourself.
So, right, my people. So, coming to the DR.
We on good business.
Good business, okay, my people. So, you come into the DR, Puerto Plata side. You could check these guys out. They tour you around. Come on, it's gonna be for a price at the end of the day, but they're good people, right? So that's that, my people. So right now we're at Scotia Bank, my people. And again, like I said, sorry I haven't posted no video, but like I said, I was a little bit under the weather, so I didn't want to post no videos. And YouTube can kill a lot of time too, right? And I had to do a lot of editing and video editing, photo shoots and all that type of stuff, and music videos. So I was a little bit busy. And then I said, you know what? I was gonna go to Jamaica, right? But I'm like, you know what? Let's go to the DR first, then we go to the island. Because you don't know, we have to go back a yard, because yard and abroad, right, my people? So we're still home at the end of the day, still the Caribbean, right? So bless up every Caribbean people who watch my videos at the end of the day. And damn, kind of look dark, you know. Sorry if I have no shirt on. You don't know it's hot out here. We still have a shirt on, my people, but we don't want to wear no more shirt right now. Me I wear shirt and jacket all day in Canada. So why me I go wear shirt right now? I'm a shirtless guy. I was born like this. Come on now. But yeah, thanks again to everybody who's been liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel. I'm gonna give you the real raw cut, bro. I ain't gonna even twang, laugh, talk about nothing. We're just gonna be real with you guys right now, alright? And everybody wants to, oh, you can't speak English. You get the English now, right? Now we are go back to a patois language. Come on now. I couldn't speak Spanish, me speak Spanish too. But we can't speak Spanish at all. I'm sorry, me never ate. And I will leave how we do it, you know, cause when we there high school, you know, we have Spanish class, you know. And you know, so every time I skip Spanish class, cause me I say, what me I learn Spanish for? I know, so you take a bite my back. So anybody who watch this video, who go to Spanish class in school, please learn, because you never know one day that you need to learn Spanish. Or you're gonna be in a Spanish country, you're gonna be like, I wish I knew Spanish. You understand? So take into it and make it work. I'm gonna see me can go walk the street for a little bit. And again, my people, like I said, I'm sorry I've never posted a video for a bit. At the end of the day, life is just life, and we're trying to make it work at the end of the day, right? So thanks again for everybody. Keep on liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel. We're in the DR right now. This place is not bad at all. I'm not even supposed to be wearing all these jewelry. I even look like this over here, but man, life is life at the end of the day, and we're gonna make it work, right? I'm gonna walk down the street for you guys, show you this place a little bit. I'm not gonna walk too far right now though, but yeah. So this is the Dominican Republic. Right now we're in Puerto Plata. Don't worry people, I'm gonna give you guys the resort tour and all that type of stuff also. But the place is more like Jamaica to at the end of the day. At the end of the day, just more Spanish speaking. And don't get it twisted, not because I'm out here with all this jewelry on and all that crap. This place is a real dangerous place, just like Jamaica. Anytime it can get married. Remember I told you that. Saw the videos, but we're not in Santa Mendingo, where it's really worse. But Susu is still bad, and Puerto Plata is still bad too. If you go down the wrong streets, wrong turn, wrong lifestyle, at the end of the day, you know what I mean? But right now, I'm not even gonna walk out too far because I don't know. I'm not from here. I'm not even going down. You know what? We're gonna go down these streets, man. We're gonna go down these streets, call it a day. I'm gonna go show you this place, man. We just stopped to go to the bank at the end of the day, but why not do a vlog, you know what I mean? Show you the real streets of DR, man. Come on now. I like their infrastructure and the houses they have though. Yeah. So Kakana shop right there, so I sell appliances and stuff like that. Just go walk down a little bit on the street. Now I go walk too far still. I love DR still. DR's like my third home. I'm always coming back here. And anybody who want to take a quick trip, you come to DR. I'll be honest with you, I have the most fun. Just like Jamaica. Nightlife. I'm gonna show, hey, we're gonna go to Susua tomorrow. I'm gonna show you the Susua, the single man beach. If you come to Susua, that's where the single man. Don't worry, we're gonna give you a video for that too. I'm gonna put out as much videos as I can do for this trip. I'm gonna do a video per day at the end of the day. So just checking out the places and stuff like that right now. I don't know how much further I want to walk. Like I said, I don't know this place like that. And yeah, but like I said, so far so good, but you just never know, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna just turn back, walk back to the boys, call it a day. But yeah, my people, we're in the DR right now, and like I said, what y'all talk about? What y'all talk about? Come on now, come on now. Say that. Look at this dog. I don't know why you so angry. Why you so angry? Why you so angry? Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Say that then. Yeah, we're gonna go back, people, because they don't know. This is another. Why is he following me? People, we're going back, but like a place just like Jamaica over here, so sometimes I can just take a flight, and people in Jamaica are not like, you don't need a visa or anything. You just need some money in your account. You can take a flight and call it a day and forward over here, so come experience different culture and different life. Hopefully these guys we're with right now, they could bring me around the different cultural places so we can show off the real DR. Like I said, I've been here years and years again. Last time I think someone wanted to cook for us too, so we might go to one of these female houses, a DR house, and they might cook for us, and I want to show that lifestyle also, you know what I mean, people. So just trying to show you guys a little bit more. See, people, just like Jamaica, nice hills, mountains and everything, right? And again, my people, the house project in Jamaica, bro, you guys gonna see a new update just now, because we have to be back in Jamaica just now too to finish up the home project too, right? Because I don't know a whole heap of work I forget still put in, and I always gonna tell you guys we gotta go back home at the end of the day. North America, the dream is dead. No dream not there no more. The dream gone long time. Be a tax and this and money now make no sense. You just work and work and work and pay a tax and call it a day, and you build up for them country, and you can't build up your own country. You understand? No, sir. I'm not gonna say America bad or Canada bad at the end of the day, you know. But we have to build up our own country too, our own little island then. If they want to call it an island and call it a day. We have to build up our own spot. And I'm not talking negativity about nobody, country or whatever. America is a great country. Canada is a great country at the end of the day. But we have to build up our own shit. You understand? I think the boys are ready right now. So the vehicle, my people. Boys are ready right now. And we're going to be back outside just now, my people. So, catch me up on the road, my people. That or that. The boys are out, my people. Boys are out. Fuck the camera, you know what I mean?
No, that's sick, bro. Wow, wow. That's a lot.
Show you guys the street of DR. I'm not even want to put no music over this, people, and I just gotta understand it.
And the thing is too, right? Because I went to the bank back at home.
Yo, how you talk to the girls here, man? You gonna say KL King to them or what? Hey, beautiful.
Hey, beautiful. Look at this beautiful one right here, my people. Damn, look at that. Hey, beautiful. See them answer us. Come on now, you beautiful. You know that now. Come on now. How's the girls in DR? For somebody who never been here before and they want to come to this country, is this country safe for other people? Like, okay, Puerto Plata. Is Puerto Plata safe for people to come to?
Yeah, Puerto Plata is one of the safe place in DR. Actually, because we have a lot of police, a lot of.
Tell them where you're from. Tell them where your parents are from.
So my mom is from here. And my dad is from Orchard, Jamaica.
You hear that, my people? He's a Jamaican man. Yeah, the boy.
Yeah, man. And actually, here in the DR is very safe. People is very friendly. Actually, girls very friendly with people who's not from here. Yeah, it's a nice place to hang out. If you guys want to have a good time, even if for compromise on that, it's gonna be a good place to hang out. I'm invited to come to the DR. and enjoy yourself here.
So, have you ever been to Jamaica though?
I went a few times, but I went by boat. I never
boat?
went by plane. I'm scared about plane.
Well, you guys got some beautiful girls over here, man. I'll be honest with you now.
Yeah, we do because our people is one of the mix.
Yeah.
It's mixed with different countries.
It's like Jamaica.
Yeah, it's mixed with a lot of countries, so people come with different descendants. That's why. So we got a lot of mixed and beautiful girls here. I hope you enjoy the view.
People love that view, man. Like, my people, we're just giving you a different vibe, a DR, so you guys can come and enjoy yourself also. Look at them girls out there, man. Come on now. The girls out here are beautiful. Single mans, I got a video for you guys, okay? We got a video. We're gonna go to Susua Beach. We're gonna show you the real life over there. Cabarete Beach also. But Cabarete is for the nighttime, not daytime. Susua Beach, all day, any day. That's it, you know, people. So we're gonna still show you the real life.
We're in the boulevard of Puerto Plata right now, and La Sirena on the market. We just record that video to you guys, and I hope you enjoy. It's just a little spot right here when we stand.
Tell them your number again so they can contact you when they come here, man.
Well, my number is 1-809-855-8217. So you can contact me if you want to hang out. Also, we do the Airbnb and anything. So guys, we're here on your services.
And he will show you the real life of Susua, Puerto Plata, around this area. That's where he is from right now. And like I said, safe guy. He's half Jamaican. It's just like us, my people. Half Jamaican, man. You see it. So I want to still show you guys around this place. Hopefully you like, share, and subscribe, and you enjoy this content. Don't worry, my Jamaican people. Like I was saying, all of the video them I'm gonna get. But right now, I show off a different life over here, so you understand? So if you want to travel, you can forward over DR one at a time. Them, but Canadian people them want to take a trip. We're at the lifestyle resort, Susua, Senator. All these resorts are nice places to stay at. I stayed at all of these resorts before. And I show you guys videos of me touring these places, and we're gonna give you a tour of the resorts, and we're gonna give you even a tour of the city and all that type of stuff. So just like, share, subscribe, and the single man them out there, don't worry, I got a video for you guys too. Single ladies also, we got videos for you guys, because you know some of these men are single and they want a beautiful wife too. Is it that? You see, he's a loyal one. What do you say?
I'm married.
You see that? So it's not everybody just want nobody. The man is loyal to his wife, and he's a married man. Oh damn, look at this one right here, man. Damn, I'm a single man and I like that girl. Hey, but I don't come on now, people, we here. We're gonna make a good video for you guys. Come on now. But people, keep on like, share, and subscribe. Well, we're there to change out some money, and we'll get some more content for you just now. How much data did you get though? You got a hotspot us now.
So give me your tree bills.
So you're gonna get your tree bills, fam. What's your problem? Didn't I give a what's your let me never get enough on bum. Bro, what Joe, yo, Joe.
So she said if you want something with her, she
Yeah, ain't want nothing with her. Too much money. Yeah, I didn't even know much money already. I just know she gonna want a lot of money, man.
How much you wanna pay for her?
I don't want her. Thank you.
My friend, she say whatever you need her, say.
I'm
Cheapest price.
good. You never see that now. That's garbage, bro. You wanna charge at least 3,000 pieces. Yeah. Tell you that. Yeah, it's gonna charge at least 3,000-4,000 pieces. Yeah.
Not even for me. Let me tell you that. Not even for me. We get a girl. I have to be around like.
Welcome back, YouTube. Oh, no, come on now. We need to see you now. So now, we're in a gated community in the Dominican Republic in Puerto Plata. And this is my boy place. We just, be honest with you, we just met this guy today. Well, he's showing us around the neighborhood. And we're here with our boys at the end of the day. There's 3 of us, and we're just gonna make it work. We're calling it a day. Check out the place. Mans are still here like Jamaica, doing some groundwork too at the end of the day. And then we're at Black Beach Resort right now. Oh, we can't bring the alcohol in? See? Oh shit.
You guys think it easy? Thank you.
Yeah, we can't even bring the 4 locals in.
Got a whole day.
God, we got some 4 locals and call it a day, you know what I mean? So right now we're gonna just stay outside and just finish our 4 local, call it a day until we're ready to go in. Still gotta put my shirt on, so now you see me with some shirts on right now. But when I'm in the Caribbean, my people, I'm a shirtless guy. You know what I mean? So he's gonna give us a tour of this place right here, right now. He's gonna show you this place right here, you know what I mean? A lot of chicas here too. Yeah, it's just like a resort too at the end of the day. Yeah, man. Show you around this place right now, people. It's just a little small resort compared to what we got, a lifestyle though. At the end of the day, a lot of girls here and stuff like that, but you know, we don't really care about the girls right now though, at the end of the day. But at the end of the day, the place is not bad so far, you know what I mean? The place is not bad, you know what I mean? So, see, the girls don't want no camera on them too at the end of the day, but we don't mind that though. At the end of the day, we walk outside and show you guys where we at too at the end of the day, you know what I mean? Like I said, I'm giving it raw, uncut. This is the vehicle we came in, big ass Ford Jeep. So like I said, the guys put your numbers if you come into the DR Puerto Plata side and you want to chill out with some real people. One of the guy, his mom lives over here, pool house villa here. His mom lives too, so it's not no ghetto people who's gonna get you no problem or anything like that, and safe ass people, you know what I mean? Like I said, we just met them today, and if you're Jamaican, you know to read people energy, right? So I don't know how it worked, read his energy, and we're here right now, right? That. So we're gonna see if we can turn it up right now over here. Probably give you some behind the scenes of what's gonna be taking place right now. We don't even know what's taking place right now. Probably got to buy some drinks at the end of the day just to give away. Cause again, you're in the DR and people just look at you as a tourist, think you got money when we're broke as hell. But you know what? We're gonna turn it up same way at the end of the day. Make people have fun, and that's what we're here to do. Make people always have fun, and that's the fun life we live, right, my people? So I'm gonna go back inside. I'm gonna turn the camera off because these girls are shy of camera because you don't know what they might do, you know? So we're gonna leave it alone, and that's at that. Peace out, and people. Soon forward back.
Wow, bro, this man, I'm gonna let my fucking car, this fucking guy. I feel sorry for the guy. That boy, the accurate day.
Yeah, the price because of this country, eh? But mostly because of me, because I that's why I get for 8.5 years. Half year, eh? I'm done, bro. I'm gonna. I have fun.
Baby!
Bro, the only way I can get is like if I get shot in my head or if I die.
Man, I want to kill a pussy, that may make you know.
Come here, baby. Kiss me back, man.
Go, my fam. Go. See. Go. Fuck.
Yo, he's got back up with you?
No,
Yo,
go.
talk to her,
Fuck
eh?
him.
No, she kissed back. She kissed back.
Right now, people, we're just back at the resort, and I'm gonna end off this vlog for today. At the end of the day, we call it a day because you don't see what going on every day, you know, too much, you know, and then they think I'm not gonna post them. I'm gonna post a real life and what people say when you're on vacation. I'm sorry. You understand? Yo, Errol, say one last thing to the video, bro.
Yo, we are with that full jive, full blessing, man. Them, you know,
Say that,
24.
You know, people out there nice, you know. Come again, Errol.
I got men. There, DR, seeing, man. Them, drink, full jive, full blessings. Boom.
That my people. So right now, we want to get one beer or one shot or whatever. We want to get some speaker shots. Got to go edit some videos and some pictures so we can upload this today. And I'm gonna try to drop one video per day here at the end of the day. tomorrow I'm gonna do a resort tour, so we can show you this lifestyle resort at the end of the day. And then I think I'm gonna show you the next resort too, Café or whatever it's called. I'm not Spanish, like I said. I skipped Spanish school or Spanish class at the end of the day, so we're gonna get some cerveza. Presidente they call it here. Cuba cerveza. Dominican Republic is beer, and they call it Presidente. You hear my boy? He say he wants some rum and coke. We're just on the road, and we're just gonna end off the video right now, my people. You see, I'm back in my natural habit, shirtless J. That's all.
You can order food?
Shirtless J. Yeah, you can order food.
Alright, send that, bro. I need food
After
right
that,
now.
alright, my people. So please like, share, subscribe. 416-876 Jamaica. But now we're in the DR. Call today. Caribbean boy, Caribbean baby. Come on now. Say that then. Alright, bless upon himself, everybody. Positive energy. Bless up Father God every day. Remember them people? Read in the Bible. Father God is real. Remember, I tell you that now. Talk about that later. After that, bless upon yourself.